from the days of Martin Luther King. We're not quite at the mountaintop yet.
Those other two gentlemen, I referenced JFK and FDR, are known for some phrases, too.